Hey y'all, thank you so much for coming back to my channel if you've been here before, and if not, welcome for the first time. My name is Amber Emily, and I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful backdrop and table setup from Dollar Tree. Stay tuned and I'll tell you what you need. Okay, y'all, it all started when I went to Dollar Tree, and this time of year, like the week of Valentine's, they always have these beautiful balloon bouquets already put together. As you see there, they have the pretty pinks that you don't see all year, reds, other heart balloons, and other types of designs. So I talked to one of the workers, and I got them to give me 3 bouquets, and I got to pick which ones I wanted. I don't know if your Dollar Tree will be so forgiving, but I kind of talked mine into it because I'm there all the time. And this is the adhesive that I'm using from Dollar Tree. You only need one. All right, just as you see, I am taking the balloons. I took the string off and I took one piece of foam adhesive and put it on the back, and you literally just stick it to the wall like so. The hardest thing is getting the first row straight. As you can see, my row's a little slanted, but it's okay because I went back and fixed it. So you just keep going. And one thing, you see the little tail right there? All you need is a piece of tape and stick it on the back. All I had around was pink duct tape, but guess what? You don't even see it. You can use clear tape, you can use duct tape, you can use whatever type of tape. And right here, I'm just going to show you the process and speed it up a little bit. All right, y'all, this is one thing that I thoroughly enjoyed about the adhesive foam. Y'all see that? It was crooked and I could take it off and just reapply it. Now, my back wall is shiplap. It's like the sticker, so that might play a role in it as well. So I'm not sure about your regular drywall. But I found that really cool. I could stick it, take it off if it was crooked, and reapply because I did want them closer. Now this backdrop is perfect for anniversaries, galentines, birthdays, whatever you have. And I just think that that is gorgeous and easy to apply and do. Y'all, this really is just a perfect accent to any party that you need. All right, I'm gonna show you my table setup. All the items on this table came from Dollar Tree except for this this tablecloth that I have. I've had it for forever. It's white. I could have pressed it out, but I didn't. These 2 decor pieces, I got 2 pink, 2 red. The vases came from Dollar Tree. I got 2 bouquets of red flowers and 2 bouquets of pink, and then 1 baby's breath to go inside. These lollipops, the whole bag was $1. The Tootsie Rolls and the chocolate candy, and even the bowls. Those Hello Loves, they are so cute. Now that wine did not come from the Dollar Tree, but these glasses did that say wine is my Valentine. You can't really see that, but I thought they were so cute. And then the Hello Love, back to that, the shadow box came just like that from Dollar Tree, y'all. Amazing. Another thing I love about this DIY is that there are limitless options for the color schemes and backdrop that you could do. So please go to the end of this video and vote and tell me which option you like the best in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.